Tesla. Robot Gen 3 is one of the most exciting technologies being developed today. Around the world, people are talking about how humanoid robots could change everyday life forever. Unlike traditional factory robots that only perform one fixed task, Tesla's new robot is designed to move, learn, and work beside humans. The idea behind Gen 3 is simple but powerful. Create a smart machine that can help people in homes, factories, hospitals, and many other places. Tesla wants to build a future where robots reduce stress, improve productivity, and make life easier for ordinary people. The project became famous after Elon Musk introduced the vision of a humanoid robot powered by advanced artificial intelligence. At first, many people thought it was impossible. Building a machine that walks like a human, understands commands, and safely interacts with people seemed extremely difficult. But Tesla continued improving its AI systems and robotics technology. Now, Gen 3 is becoming more advanced, faster, and smarter than earlier versions. It represents Tesla's belief that robots could eventually become part of daily human life. One of the most impressive features of Tesla Robot Gen 3 is its movement system. Older humanoid robots often moved slowly and looked stiff or unnatural. Tesla worked hard to improve balance, flexibility, and coordination. Gen 3 can walk smoothly, pick up objects carefully, and react quickly to obstacles. Its advanced sensors and cameras constantly scan the environment, helping the robot understand what is happening around it. This makes it safer and more useful in real-world situations. Tesla is using experience from self-driving cars to improve the robot's intelligence. The AI inside Gen 3 analyzes information from cameras and sensors in real time. This allows the robot to recognize objects, avoid collisions, and perform tasks more accurately. The more experience the robot gains, the more it learns and improves. Tesla believes this learning ability is what will make humanoid robots truly useful in the future. One major reason people are excited about Gen 3 is because it could help with everyday work. Many people spend hours doing repetitive tasks like cleaning, carrying items, organizing rooms, or washing dishes. Tesla imagines a future where robots can handle these activities. Imagine waking up in the morning and your robot has already cleaned the kitchen, prepared breakfast ingredients, and organized the house. This kind of assistance could save time and reduce stress for millions of families. The robot could also become extremely valuable for elderly people. Around the world, many seniors need help with simple daily activities. Tesla Robot Gen 3 may one day assist older adults by carrying objects, reminding them to take medicine, or helping them move safely around the house. Instead of replacing human care, the robot could support families and caregivers by handling basic physical tasks. This could allow seniors to live independently for longer periods. People with disabilities may also benefit from humanoid robots. Certain daily activities can be physically difficult for some individuals. A robot assistant could help with lifting, reaching objects, or transporting items around the home. Technology like this has the potential to improve quality of life and provide greater independence to many people. Factories are another place where Tesla Robot Gen 3 could make a huge impact. Industrial work often involves repetitive and physically demanding tasks. Workers may spend long hours lifting heavy objects or performing dangerous activities. Tesla believes robots can improve workplace safety by handling risky jobs. In future Tesla factories, humanoid robots could transport materials, organize equipment, and support produce. Tie-in lines without becoming tired. Construction sites could also benefit from robotic workers. Building projects require strength, endurance, and constant movement. Gen 3 may help carry tools, transport materials, and perform physically exhausting work. This could reduce injuries and improve efficiency in the construction industry. Many experts believe robotics could completely transform how buildings are created in the future. Hospitals and healthcare systems may also use humanoid robots one day. Doctors and nurses often work under extreme pressure. Robots could assist by delivering medical supplies, moving equipment, or helping transport patients safely. During emergencies, robots may support healthcare workers by performing difficult physical tasks. This could help hospitals operate more efficiently and reduce workload stress. Despite all the excitement, many people are concerned about the future of robotics. One of the biggest fears is job replacement. If robots can perform human tasks, some workers worry they may lose employment opportunities. This is an important debate happening around the world. Some experts believe automation will replace certain jobs while also creating entirely new industries and careers related to robotics and AI technology. Safety is another major concern. A humanoid robot working around people must be reliable and carefully controlled. Tesla understands that even small mistakes could create serious problems. That is why Gen 3 includes advanced safety systems designed to avoid accidents. Cameras, sensors, and intelligent software constantly monitor the environment to keep interactions safe. Tesla also wants the robot to feel natural and easy to use. Instead of complicated controls, people may simply speak to the robot using voice commands. The goal is to make communication feel simple and human-like. This could help families and businesses use the technology more comfortably in everyday situations. Another interesting feature of Gen 3 is its design. Tesla wants the robot to appear modern, friendly, and approachable instead of frightening. The smooth body shape and human-like movement help create a more comfortable interaction experience. Appearance matters because people are more likely to trust machines that seem calm and familiar. Battery technology is another important advantage for Tesla. Since the company already develops advanced electric vehicle batteries, it can use similar technology for humanoid robots. Efficient batteries allow Gen 3 to operate for longer periods without constant charging. This is necessary if robots are expected to assist people throughout the day. Artificial intelligence is what truly powers the future of Gen 3. Unlike basic machines that follow fixed instructions, Tesla's robot can learn from experience. Over time, it may understand routines, recognize habits, and improve its performance. This ability to adapt could make robots much more helpful in homes and workplaces. Education may also change because of humanoid robots. Schools might use robotic assistants to help teachers organize classrooms or support students with learning activities. Personalized tutoring through AI could become more common in the future. Robots may eventually help students learn subjects in interactive and engaging ways. Tesla. Robot Gen 3 could even play a role in space exploration someday. Robots are able to work in dangerous environments where humans face risks. Future missions connected to SpaceX may use humanoid robots to build structures or transport equipment before astronauts arrive. This could help humans explore Mars and other planets more safely. Disaster response is another possible future use. Robots can enter dangerous environments such as fires, earthquakes, or collapsed buildings where human rescue workers may face serious danger. A humanoid robot capable of carrying equipment and navigating difficult terrain could help save lives during emergencies. The economic impact of robotics could become enormous in the coming decades. Businesses may adopt humanoid robots to improve productivity and reduce physical labor costs. Entire industries could change as AI-powered machines become more common. However, affordability remains important. Tesla hopes that mass production will eventually reduce prices, allowing ordinary families to own robotic assistants. The idea of intelligent robots living among humans once existed only in science fiction movies. Today, companies are actively developing these technologies in real life. Tesla Robot Gen 3 represents one of the clearest examples of how quickly the world is changing. What once seemed impossible is becoming increasingly realistic. For younger generations, growing up with AI and robots may feel completely normal. Children born today could one day see humanoid robots the same way earlier generations viewed computers or smartphones. Technology evolves rapidly, and society continues adapting to each new innovation. At the same time, humanity must carefully manage the future of artificial intelligence and robotics. Governments, engineers, and technology companies will need strong rules to ensure safety, privacy, and ethical use. The goal should be to create technology that supports people rather than harms society. Tesla. Robot Gen 3 is more than just a machine. It represents a major step toward a future where humans and intelligent robots work together. Whether helping families, supporting workers, assisting seniors, or exploring space, the possibilities are enormous. Technology is still developing, but one thing is clear. The future of humanoid robotics is closer than many people ever imagined.